Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joy in Canada! So today we're gonna try the boiling water challenge because today in Calgary it's really cold. It says in the weather it's negative 26. I don't know if you can see it, and it feels like negative 38. So I have with me here, I'm just about to hit this one, then I'm gonna have my suit because it's really cold outside. So it's gonna be my first time to try this one, so I'm definitely excited. Then I wanna share this to you guys, then hope you will like it. Alright, so it's boiling now. We're good to go. Okay.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there's still smoke. Thanks, Honey. Honey, look. We can have this for Halo Halo. Whoa. Alright, a little experiment. I just colored this one blue. Let's see the effects. Alright, this time with the blue color. Okay, 3, 2.
Throwing boiling water into air, the hot water forms into hot droplets, and because they're so hot, those tiny water droplets start to vaporize. What seems cold air can't hold as much water vapor in warmer air, the water condenses. Extremely cold temperatures quickly freeze the water droplets, which fall as ice crystals.
Look at that, it's colored. It's cool. Alright, that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. I'm afraid. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god! It's really cool!
Okay, go for it.